The following is my personal opinion, but it's based on hard facts. What you see and hear is deemed reliable but not guaranteed. Things, of course, can change. But this represents what I currently know and have experienced at the time this video was made. Any comparisons to other companies or individuals should be investigated by the viewer. We're not responsible for any discrepancies or perceived errors. And to completely cover our butts from any and all potential legal issues, let's just call it for entertainment purposes only. Please enjoy. Hey there, listen and listen good. Here's 2 things you need to know. Number 1, my name is Dale, and my integrity is of utmost importance, and I intend on keeping that 100% intact. And this is really me, not some fake AI-generated person. Notice I'm not standing in front of some mansion in the hills, which I don't own, or some rented Ferrari in the background, or a tropical island resort with a lady on each arm. Lots of scammers and ridiculous videos will try to deceive and mislead you with that kind of crap. Not me, not this company. Number 2, and I'll cut to the chase right here immediately and answer what everyone else wants to know, or may assume right away. This is all completely time-tested and legal. I repeat, it's not some Ponzi or pyramid scheme. Yes, there are great overrides you can earn, but hear me out. Let me explain before you jump to any conclusions. This is an incredible income opportunity which you can do from home or really anywhere. Yes, it's true. Listen to this. I'm speaking from years of experience. I've tried about everything and dumped thousands upon thousands, so on, these so-called programs that were presented attractively, even by close friends at the time, but it turns out they simply didn't work. Their products were severely overpriced. To really be taken seriously, you may have had to keep a garage full of their product on hand, endure shipping problems, and if you couldn't keep up, attend the meetings and even pay additional money in personal business volume, or PV they called it, to qualify for your paycheck. If you got a paycheck at all, give me a break. In my experience, it was only the people at the very top bringing in the big paychecks. And when the company for some reason went under, that was it. Game over. Then some of the big wigs, they'd move on, join another company and tell you again, it's the best thing they've ever seen. Man, after seeing all this, I promised myself I would never do anything like that again. However, here's how I got started with Best Easy Work. As a former art director of a fast food chain, gift and greeting card designer, sign maker, and most recently a t-shirt designer who, even with 20,000 decent designs, the money just wasn't coming in. And there are millions and millions of designers already on these sites you're competing with, so chances are your efforts, they're just not going to be seen. It's kind of like having a billboard in the desert, miles off the beaten path somewhere, and expecting results. And now that AI, artificial intelligence, has taken over most of my income ability, it's become nearly impossible to compete. One night recently, I was scrolling through Craigslist and I came across one of those old-looking ads telling me I can make money at home. Yeah. I thought it looked predictable, outdated, and kind of cheesy, but I clicked anyway, and here's what I found. Hang on to your seat. Most of the videos on the Best Easy Work website contain testimonials from people who followed the guy's simple instructions. They showed their checks to the camera and shared how they were making some great money right off the bat. Yeah, right. I've seen that before, and I thought to myself, but I noticed something I wasn't expecting. These folks boasting about their success, many of them, they had dates on their videos going back as far to the year 2017. Normally, this would lead me to believe it's an old, outdated website, but I tried not to prejudge my findings, and I realized this opportunity here has stood the test of time. Over 9+ years to be precise. So something is definitely still happening here. I thought to myself, why haven't I ever seen this one before? One lady's testimonial really blew me away. She stated, then she proved she actually made, then was paid for 17 sales in one stinking day. Probably the exception and not the rule, but still, if she could do that, then what if I enjoyed even a fraction of her success? And the company's still going, so it has to be legit. I can only imagine what kind of money she's making now. And there's other testimony as well. Unlike every other MLM, multi-level company I've ever known in all my years, there are no losers here. Again, you can join, listen, absolutely free to get started and even get paid as a result. Currently $25 minimum each time someone else joins as a paid member, just because of your simplest efforts. Even with your being a free member, all 100% legal. The unique and amazing compensation plan is also on the website, and it basically runs on autopilot, so you don't really even have to understand how. Just know right away that it works and enjoy its rewards. Check it out. What exactly are we selling, you ask? Let's keep this simple and easy to understand. First of all, we're selling free advertising, as well as some other great products if you choose to. That's up to your customer. Even if you join us at the free level, remember, you can still make money simply by sharing your link, and that your contact then follows through. Get it? Now let all of this really soak in. And it gets better. Seriously, you don't even need to talk to anyone directly if you choose. Plus, pay attention now. The website never has a bad day, and it does a much better job of explaining things than even I can. And without going into major detail here, in order to keep this short, you can join at a higher level and seriously make some unheard of income. Some are told are making 6, even 7 figures. 6, 7? Sorry, I had to do that. And here's the kicker. You can get paid daily. Sales currently pay out at an incredible, get this, as high as 80% of its total. And from a multi-level marketing MLM viewpoint, that's unheard of. It's currently and entirely possible for a person like yourself or your contacts to generate $25, $50, $100, $200, even $500 per sale, and more, depending on the level that you come in at. The potential for you is completely out of this world. You can get paid handsome override commissions on the efforts of those who follow you. You could be a retired senior or a stay-at-home mom or dad, a student in college, really anything. It really doesn't matter. A former multi-level marketing person should do very well. They've maybe seen and experienced the same frustrations I have experienced and recognize this as a true winner. And don't be afraid to share it with others. Listen, you never know who they might know and tell about it later. They may, figuratively speaking, take this to the moon, and you can position yourself to benefit accordingly. Now that you know about the obscene level of income you could enjoy, do you wonder why I'm excited? The owner's name is Martin Ruiz, that's spelled R-U-I-Z, whose background includes being a highly successful former life insurance salesman. I wasn't expecting to meet such a kind and knowledgeable businessman. And he even answers the phone himself. And yes, he wants to talk to you after you read the website and watch the video. And get this, he'll even speak to your prospects, answer their questions, set them up, and hear me now, close the deal for you. That's unheard of. Can't ask for more than that. We're just beginning the year 2026, and it's time to join us now. Or keep setting the alarm, warming up the car to go see your grumpy boss who pays you as little as they can just to keep you and stealing your time. At the very minimum, join us now. And I mean now. At the free level, even test it out. But you still have to share the link to make it work for you. Or have the system share your link. And before I forget, there's no experience necessary either, other than having a positive attitude, be 18 years or older, and you can still get paid $25 a pop minimum. Come on. And sharing just isn't your thing, or you don't feel you have the time, ask Martin about the super simple postcard program. Easily send these out. They will direct the recipient to the website. You don't even have to know or talk to these people. Each pre-self-addressed postcard is linked to you. Like I said, Martin will take care of things. Unbelievable. Plus, there's more great info on the website and other things you can make available to your customer. Consistency is the key. Best Easy Work will sincerely help you. I know this firsthand. You're not working alone. Once the light inside your head goes off and you see the virtually limitless potential here, remember this. You can always easily start for free, then upgrade later. Some of your contacts, however, may be thinking outside the box and recognize this for what it is and maybe want to come in higher. You probably don't want to miss out on sales override commissions they helped create. It's just a thought. So, Click the link on your screen or in the first comment and find out right now today how you can get started and be a part of this incredible 9+ years proven successful money-making opportunity. Do it now. And I mean now. God bless and have a fantastic and amazing day.